So to make a bauble, pick 4 pieces of card and fold them in half, like so. Now we cut the thread at 30 centimetres, which is the length of a ruler, 30 centimetres. Stick the sellotape over the thread to keep it in place. Now we stick the other bits of the sides together. Now we glue this and stick it to the other side. Now it's time to decorate and add the beads at the bottom and top for decoration. If you struggle to do a knot, simply peel away one of the sides, get some sellotape and stick the thread into place. Any excess sellotape can be carefully cut. Make sure the end of the thread is stuck together and then push it through the bead like so. You might want several beads for decoration. If you struggle to do a knot, simply peel away one of the sides, get some sellotape and stick the thread into place. Any excess sellotape can be carefully cut. You can cut out cards and add that to your design. We can also add colours. Now we have completed the bauble. When you get home, stick it on the tree.